Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Charlotte and you have reached me here at Clunique. This is my first video, so I hope you all enjoy it. If you do, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are unboxing my first ever bath box. So I got this on Saturday, it's now Monday, so it's just been sitting there staring, so I need to do this. So BathBox, it is a monthly subscription, £9.99 plus £2.99 postage and packaging. So go, let's see what we've got. Oh, it says, "Hello beautiful, it's been a long trying year for everyone, but now the end of winter is here and better times are on the way. So in the month of love, cherish yourself and restore your spirit with everything you'll need for a pampering evening in the tub. This month we've teamed up with the Coconut Collaborative to bring you an extra little treat. Inside this month's bath box you'll find a dairy and gluten-free plant-based chocolate pot to make your bath time even more indulgent. So take that well-deserved break from the world, close the bathroom door, get the water running and grab a spoon." Bath box. That's what it says there, and on the back it has everything that is in this box. I haven't read, so no spoilers. Oh, look out. Oh, that's really nicely wrapped. Okay. Oh, I don't want to tear it, but I'm going to have to. There we go. Ooh. So, let's put this down here and see what we've got. So, our first, that is a fizzy heart bomb. Oh, a fizzy sassy Satsuma scented bath bomb with a purple heart. Yes, please. Nothing fancy here, just run the water and cast the bomb into said water to release the good stuff. Recommended retail price of £4. I do quite like oranges and satsumas, so let's see. I haven't even got it open, I can smell it. That does smell good. I don't know what my hair's doing. There we go. Yeah, there's definitely a huge amount of orange on that. Right, so our next item is a love bath bomb. Can you see that? It says love, bright pink, and this says, place this lilac scented bomb on top of the water. Once the bath is run, keeping it floating flat will release a light foam. No need to try and keep yourself floating though, we recommend sinking right in. Recommended retail price of £4. So, lilac. Let's see. Not normally, I'm more of a fruity scent girl, so. Oh, that smells. I'm sort of getting a hint of like Parma Violet. That smells really, really nice. And let's see if I can get this out without it going everywhere so you can actually see it. There we go. Right. Yeah, I'm definitely getting Parma Violets on that. Next we have Coconut Collaborative Little Choc Pot, which I said to you about. This is plant-based, 100 calories for this little pot. Gluten-free. Did they say, I think they said it was dairy-free, which is perfect because I'm actually lactose intolerant. So, yummy. Next we have Strawberry Prosecco Lip Balm. If you like me, oh, that smells good. Yeah, I always need a lip balm in my handbag because especially at winter you get very, very dry lips. And that smells lovely. Lovely. So, what does it say? Strawberry Prosecco Lip Butter Balm. This is the first for BathBox, a lovely lip balm for kissable lips or just to keep them protected from the cold. This particular balm comes in Strawberry Prosecco scent. Recommended retail price of $3.75. Oh. Mm. So far, I am loving this box. Loving. Next, we have some bath salts. It's bright purple. Let's see, we got triple blend Luxe bath salts. How much do we love you? Once, twice, how about 3 times with these triple blended more scented salts. Recommended retail price of £3.50. Now, I'm going to try and open these and hopefully they won't go everywhere. Oh, they are lush. Lush. Yeah. These smell very fruity. I've never had bath salts before. I've had the bombs and the fizzers, but I've never tried bath salts before. So I'm quite looking forward to trying them when I next have a bath. I had one yesterday, so probably won't be today. Today will be the shower after the run. So, our last item here. And what do we say? Love Potion Skin Softening Soak. Sprinkle this bag of Bleeding Heart scented salts into your bath for an explosion of red. Sink yourself into the water and after around 20 minutes you'll be ready to sink straight into bed for a great night's sleep. Recommended retail price of £3.50. Oh, that sounds good. I don't think I could get straight into bed right after a bath. I know the bath relaxes you, but I can't get straight into bed. Mostly because my hair takes forever to dry. Oh, they smell. What does it say they smell? Bleeding Heart scented. I'm not sure what that scent is. Crystals in there. Yeah, no, I'm not sure what that scent is. It's nice. No, it's very nice, but it's not a scent that I can determine. I don't think it's a fruit. Yeah, so that is, and then we just get those in there. We do have another little booklet if I can get it out, and it's all about the Coconut Collaborative. It's just a little bit of information on there about them, some of the things that they sell, and a couple of recipes. So I will have a read of that and see how we go. That was the chair. So, my review on this chair, on this box. For my first one, I'm extremely happy. I love a good bath, I love a good soak, and I love a good bath bomb. So I am really looking forward to trying a few of these out. I will be posting small videos on my Instagram of when I do use them, so keep an eye on those. I am Clunique01 over on Instagram, but I will link it below if you want to come and have a follow. So I will cut it short there. So thank you very much for watching. If you did like what you see, then please like and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you again soon. That's the box falling over. So thank you very much for watching. Remember, just be your beautiful, unique self. Bye.